Today I'm going to tell you 4 steps to make your parents happy. Sometimes your parents ask you to do something and you forget to do it, or you feel very lazy, or you say no to them. What happens next? They get really angry and you may get scolded or punished. So let's see how to avoid such a bad situation and how to make them happy. The first step is look at your parents' eyes. When you look at them, your parents understand that you're listening to them. That's what they really like about you. The second step is say okay. This makes parents happy if you agree to do what they ask you to do. The third step is do it right away. This makes any parents happy if you do what they asked and try your level best to do it better. The fourth step is check back. This means let your parents know that you have done what they have asked. Make sure that you have done all the parts of the job and show it to them. This makes them extra happy. For example, cleaning your room, making your bed, helping in the kitchen, watering the plants, folding your clothes, or organizing the table. You can try these 4 simple steps to make your parents happy in any work they ask you to do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know your valuable suggestions in the comment box, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye!